Wilco, just you obviously, I mean, so you you obviously we know about your scrumming prowess, etc. But do you feel maybe that other parts of your game, maybe getting around the field, is something that you must still work on a little bit? I asked Rassie the question about you and Thomas yesterday, and he said Thomas's mobility is probably what gives him the edge on the first part, and you did do the job in the second part.
Yeah.
Is that something that you feel you need to still up maybe a bit on the work front?
Definitely, I think if you ask any rugby player in the world, is there something you have to work on? And all of them will say yes, there's definitely. And yes, like I said, I've got a role in the team. Thomas got a role in the team. He's been playing really well, scrumming really well. His work rate is incredible. And yeah, a better work rate is something every prop, I can promise you, in the world, they'll say they strive for that. And it is definitely, there's lots still to work on. And yeah, my job is to scrum, but not just to scrum. I have to still be able to make my tackles, get to cleans, maul, and play a decent amount of time. So yeah, definitely, there's always something to work on.